Hey guys, welcome back. We're taking a break from BMW and going to our other favorite brand. This is a 2022 Lexus RX350. Let's get inside and see what's up. So far, just a little bit of material settling in the back seat, but no bad sounds really. Let's check out the door handle and make our way up to the front. Don't know if you guys can hear this, but when you open the handle all the way, you can sort of kind of hear the metal inside the door vibrate, I guess, or you can hear the vibrations, kind of a hollow sound. I noticed this with some Japanese cars. This one's got it too. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. 25,000 miles. And now for the button test. Forgot this one. There. Now on to the final button. Alright guys, so as you could hear, the fit and finish in this car was actually pretty good. Not a lot of places squeaked excessively. There was a little bit of material settling. Otherwise, not too shabby. The only place I did notice some less than ideal squeaks were over by the climate controls and a little bit over here by the media controls. There was a little bit something here. But yeah, not too shabby. I'm quite impressed actually with this. With that being said, I would happily give this car an 8 out of 10 for fit and finish. I think this car deserves it. The materials in this car are also mostly pretty good. Lexus seems to do pretty good with their soft touch vinyl on the dash and on the door. And this part on the door is super extra soft. I believe they call this material New Lux. That's what's also on the seats. And it is very cushy. I just wish they would use this material in the whole car, like even above your knees up here leading to the top of the climate vent. This little area here is hard, crappy plastic. I wish they could have continued the soft touch vinyl to the lower parts, like in some German cars, to really kind of wrap it up all nice, I guess. But they did not do that. But then this car costs a little bit less than the Germans as well. So I can't completely shit on it for that. As far as trim goes, we have this sort of dark colored wood here. It's on the steering wheel too. And speaking of which, I love cars with wood steering wheels. I feel like as the years progress, they are less and less common. Just like hood ornaments on cars, wood steering wheels are kind of diminishing. I guess they're out of style, or people see them as like an old person sort of touch. I still like them. I had a car with a wood steering wheel once, and I miss it so much. Feels extra premium in the hand, you know? Something a little special. As I mentioned, these seats are New Lux, which is Lexus speak for fake leather. As far as a fake leather goes, these are very cushy and nice to the touch, actually. This beats out a lot of competitors as far as just the feel goes. So, not real leather, but still impressive nonetheless. Both the headliner and the sun visor are cloth, but Lexus, and I think Toyota too, they use a very soft feeling cloth, almost like very silky. Yeah, very soft to the touch. I like that. And then the buttons and switchgear in this car are pretty typical Lexus. Definitely above average, but nothing crazy to write home about. I do like some of the knobs in here. You know, they look pretty sleek. But the rest of the buttons, they're pretty, normal looking buttons. Still, not bad, I guess. I screwed up at this part and said 6 out of 10 for fit and finish instead of materials. There you guys have it. Your final score is 8 out of 10 for fit and finish, 6 out of 10 for materials. Please let me know your thoughts. Guys, it is not every day you get into a 2022 car and you see a CD player. The reason why, I suspect, is the demographic of people who buy cars like this, from Lexus, are above the age of 80. Speaking of lack of modern technology, take a look at this screen really quick. Look how massive the bezels are. Look at this. It's huge. It's bigger than the size of my... And then look at these pixels. This car does not have an HD display whatsoever. You can very easily see these pixels. This screen looks like it's from 2010 or something. Just so far behind the competition. I mean, I'm sure it works and it doesn't have electronic glitches like some of the modern cars do. But come on, Lexus, please give us a 2020s worthy display. At least, give us some HD, or get rid of these thick bezels here. Like, come on. Yeah, this car is just a little bit behind in technology, but I guess if you're above the age of 80, you don't care so much. So Lexus knows their customers How does this thing drive? Well, I did take it on the road really quick, and it's pretty comfortable, actually. Absorbs the bumps nicely. I'd say about as good as the X3 that I just did. Although where this car differs is it's a little bit more roly-poly. The steering is sharp, kind of like the X3. But yeah, just more body roll in this car. It is, you can feel the weight a little bit more. It's more roly-poly, not really sporty. But I guess it doesn't have to be. They make other cars for that. So this is a good, comfortable commuter that's reliable. I guess what more do you want? So, perfectly good car. You should probably buy one. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.